it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Giving you another reaction. Hey, guys, today we're here with Khago. Yes, Khago with Birkin bag. Yes, Khago with Birkin. So Shawn stamp this once again. Shawn stamp the man, they were anti-ratty. They were anti-me G. Lego with that. Bombo Khago with Birkin bag. First and foremost, big up Long Chain Global. Big up yourself. Khago, what on with the vertical drop? You drop the one the vertical, my boss. You never drop it the normal way you normally drop it. Anyway, we just done stream, as you can see. Well, for those who was on the stream, big up for themselves. We just done stream, and I knew that this song was coming because I got the thumbnail from earlier on when I was on the stream. So we know said the thing that go forward. So make we jump in that one and hear where the G have to send, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man.
Yeah, Khago, you know. Dance all landlord. Shawn stamp them a parent in a me yard. Them a tenant. Khago.
Shawn stamp the man say live in a yard. The man say not live nowhere, say live in a yard. You pay rent, you tenant. He buy landlord. That's him say. Remember same say my dancer landlord in a dog. Member in a dog.
Yeah, Khago, you know. Dance all landlord. Shawn stamp them a parent in a me yard. Them a tenant. Khago. Shawn stamp. Sugar daddy buy him one Birkin. Every weekend I pluck him and I jerk him. Lisa say Mooney big Benz a hurt him. Him coulda won one but him not working. Cause a girl them a bubble and a wine for me. Girl them a bubble and a wine. I'm a tenant. Khago. Shawn stamp. Sugar daddy buy him one Birkin. Every weekend I pluck him and I jerk him.
At this point in time, Khago does a troll blood clash and stuff.
Yeah, Khago, you know. Dance all landlord. Shawn stamp them a parent in a me yard. Them a tenant. Khago. Shawn stamp. Sugar daddy buy him one Birkin. Every weekend I pluck him and I jerk him. Lisa say Mooney big Benz a hurt him. Him coulda won one but him not working.
Lisa said the big Benz when Mooney get, the big Benz are earth Shawn stamp. Him say Shawn stamp coulda own one, but because Shawn stamp not working, well, I'm gonna take off my desk. He must say Shawn stamp coulda own one, but Mooney say him not work. Well, him coulda own one, but Shawn stamp not working. So yeah, it was there, but I minded that.
Khago. Shawn stamp. Sugar daddy buy him one Birkin. Every weekend I pluck him and I jerk him. Lisa say Mooney big Benz a hurt him. Him coulda won one but him not working. Cause a girl them a bubble and a wine for me. Girl them a bubble and a wine for me. Girl them a bubble and a wine for me. 1 kilo panic Gaza that tata me lay. From me tell you where.
The boss rate family. There are 1 kilo left on the Gaza and that's a who family goes to
a bubble and a wine for me. Girl them a bubble and a wine for me. Girl them a bubble and a wine for me. 1 kilo panic Gaza that tata me lay. From me tell the world say a man a mine him. You know see it say nobody can find him.
Hey!
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Even though I'm dropping in a vertical way, we still gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work.
Khago, you know.
We're gonna make it work. Seriously.
Dance all landlord. Shawn stamp them a parent in a me yard. Them a tenant. Khago. Shawn stamp. Sugar daddy buy him one Birkin. Every weekend I pluck him and I jerk him. Lisa say Mooney big Benz a hurt him. Him coulda won one but him not working. Cause a girl them a bubble and a wine for me. Girl them a bubble and a wine for me. Girl, them a bubble and a wine for me. One killer panic Gaza that a me. From me tell the world say a man a mine him. You know see it say nobody can find him. Panic to learn panic as we when me book Shawn star when me go. Me find him. Sky. Nobody can find him. Panic to learn panic as we when me book Shawn star when me go. Me find him. Sky gotta put himself on the podium. Them a fight man long a try hold me down. And every door them lock jet a kick that down. And we a pan cartel fi buy shot finger. Gaza.
Man, yo, man say Shawn star and wait pan cartel fi buy shot for him gun. So basically, man tell say if cartel no give Shawn star no money, Shawn star no money, not even fi buy shot fi defend himself. Yo. So basically, in musical terms, what he's saying there is, cartel have to give Shawn star the green light to go vice and reply to the people that we are dissing. That's how I must say this. So.
Them a fight man long a try hold me down. And every door them lock jet a kick that down. And we a pan cartel fi buy shot finger. Gaza girl them a bubble and a wine for me. Girl them a bubble and a wine for me. Girl them a bubble and a wine for me. One killer panic Gaza that a me lay. Jet a boss make dance all take a break. Rockstar we no eat from nobody play. Turn up it thing do the fussy them a underrate.
Man just say yo, him independent. Him a rock star. He no eat from nobody plate. Nobody no cut him no key. Nobody no bust him in a this. Him boss himself. So him no have no boss. So him can diss anybody. Anybody can get it. That is what he's saying. That a me lay. Check a boss make dance all take a break. Rockstar we no eat from nobody play. Turn up it thing do the fussy them a underrate. And if your face are you tough, put a foot on me gate. Shawn Sugar Daddy buy one tight jeans. Boy face same bad gas in balls a squeeze. Yo, they got the bumbo class sweet here, mama. Yo, Khago, brother, low Shawn star now. Please, just leave him alone, dog. Just leave him. Khago, left bumbo class Shawn star alone. Please, me I tell you, bro. Let's load the man, bro. Load the blood clot man, dog. Khago, leave Shawn star alone. Just leave him alone. Just get it here a break, bro. Man does to 13 years and fall back out of prison to this, bro. Leave the man, bro. Leave him. I'm gonna leave him.
The fussy them underrate. And if your face are you tough, put a foot on me gate. Shawn Sugar Daddy buy one tight jeans. Boy face same bad gas in balls a squeeze. If I no nizzle then a Paul. Only Shawn when we rate a Shawn nizzle and Shawn Paul.
If I'm a nizzle, then a Paul. If I'm a Shawn nizzle or Shawn Paul, you don't rate no more Shawn. No Shawn Storm, nobody else, no Shawn. Yes. That's the way I tell you that. Neither.
Shawn Sugar Daddy buy one tight jeans. Boy face same bad gas in balls a squeeze. If I no nizzle then a Paul. Only Shawn when we rate a Shawn nizzle and Shawn Paul. Gaza girl them a bubble and a wine for me. The girl them a bubble and a wine for me. The girl them a bubble and a wine for me. One killer pa me Gaza that a me lay. Everything me a kill pan them black fit free. Jeffrey no hype again come on a walk him free. Yeah mad sus check your get wet. No me J. A long run shot catch your son dead in a jail.
Wait, Jeffrey at? But me don't even see Cartel and Jeffrey at link. Oh, Jeffrey at. Khago, you fuck me. First, you go over Portmore, go shoot up Bascom's house. Then, big up Bascom by the way. Then, you shoot off Jeffrey Hype where we don't see him link with Cartel since Cartel there road. And you say Matsus not get to it. Well, Matsus are not artist, brother. Yo, everybody can get it. Where's the Khago? Everybody can get it. Alright.
Thing me a kill pan them black fit free. Jeffrey no hype again, come on a walk him free. Yeah, Matsus check your get wet. No me J. A long run shot catch your son dead in a jail. Gaza girl them a bubble and a wine for me. The girl them a bubble and a wine for me. The girl them a bubble and a wine for me. One killer pan the Gaza that a me lay.
I love this beat.
Why did I cross road?
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright. What do you think what I want there? At this point, I think Khago just load the blood clot, man, brother. Big woman thing. Like, stop. You're right now, you're being a bully, bro. I'm just gonna say it. You're being a bully, bro. Load the man, bro. Load the man. Give him time for answer. If he want answer. Ease off of the man, bro. Khago, you fuck great. Stand boss. I squeeze him because he get tight jeans. You hear me? I said that. You hear me? I said. Khago, low the blood clot, man, bro. You see me? Low Shawn stand, bro. Low the G. You see me? Yeah, man. Low the man. One thing though, Khago. Hear me? I say, bro. Them copyright reading me where you have voice span. When I do them song, yeah, it affect we as content creator. Cause when time we put out them video up on our channel, it go red for we. You see me? That means that we can't get the money from the video, bro. We can't get the money from the views. You understand? So be considerate of us content creators, our people that's pushing out the songs them as well. You understand? So get back on the original rhythm them. Even though the rhythm are bad. No, you give them with the balls. It's bad, but it's copyright infringement. Alright? So big up yourself doing with G. Yo. And stop with the Shawn sound, please. Alright? Alright. I'll catch you in the next one, peeps. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll be down there. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.